This is my dragon blood tree. I remember when I was moving it, one accidentally broke off one of its side branches. At the time, I didn't think much of it, so I just casually stuck the branch into a pot. The pot was originally used for a desert rose, which I repotted, and I didn't bother changing the pot or the soil. I simply left it there. The soil in the pot was the leftover soil from the desert rose, and I didn't do anything to it. I just stuck the branch in there without any expectations. It was early August, and the weather was extremely hot. I didn't think it would survive, let alone grow roots. The first month, the leaves started wilting and getting wrinkled, but after that, the leaves just stayed that way. There was no further drying out or large-scale wilting. Today, I decided to pull it out and take a look, and to my surprise, it had actually grown a root. Not only that, but there was also another root starting to form beside it. Normally, it wouldn't be surprising for a plant to grow roots after being cut, but what really amazed me was that I didn't treat the wound when I cut the branch, and I never watered the pot. The soil in the pot just stayed slightly moist because my room isn't well ventilated, and the soil never dried out completely. On top of that, it was still extremely hot in early August and there wasn't much airflow, despite these harsh conditions. It didn't die and actually grew roots. It just goes to show, sometimes when you carefully tend to a plant, it still won't thrive. But when you least expect it, something you casually discard can survive and grow. Life is unpredictable.